One simple thing. I love one simple thing. I think you do too. And today we're learning how to embrace the imperfections by tearing paper instead of using scissors. So one thing about tearing, you don't always get a perfect tear, right? And so it's just embracing that. And I think from those that I've talked to, they love the tearing paper look. And so that's what we're gonna do really quick today. This is just my winter journal. You've seen it before. You can tell I've done a lot of tearing with the papers in here, and I even tore that, you know. And so it's easy to just let yourself have imperfections and not make it a big deal, right? Or make it about the imperfections, whatever. So we've got this page here. I'm just adding a little blue to it because it's just plain paper, right? And then what if I wanted to make a belly band? Okay. Not even using a tearing ruler, but you could. But just tearing. And then we've got a nice little, how about a tuck this way? So we'll take some ink. Let's enhance those edges we just tore with a little color. Let's leave this straight. What I'm gonna do is put glue at the top and at that straight back side and put it towards the spine of my book, my journal here. And that's a fun torn edge, easy, and anything can slide in there, right? So that's one. So let's do this page. We've got this fun page we worked on it the other day. Let's make a pocket. So I've got these scraps here, right? And let's just tear this off. So then we've got some nice torn edges. Add a little of this ocean blue ink. Okay, now let's make a pocket. Let's just make a pocket right here. And you can see, you know, torn edges are really fun to work with, I have to say. And I like the feel that it gives you of, I don't know, like of, it doesn't have to be like a perfect line or something like that. And then you've got a little space. Let me see if I have a little something that I could just tuck in there as well as my pocket that's behind here, right? A little tuck. So anyway, have fun with torn edges. Just have fun with it. Just let it be. Another thing that you can do with torn edges, look, this has got this coming through from this other page, right? And what if you wanted to make a, sort of a waterful graduated pocket? So now this will go all the way to here, but I have 3 pockets, so now I can put as much as I want in those, right? Okay, so anyway, fun with tearing paper. Hope you enjoyed this one simple thing. Have a great day.